You will never throw away banana peels after watching this. Bananas are popular throughout the entire world and deliver a range of essential nutrients to the body. The fruit is especially noted for its high potassium content, as well as vitamin B6 and, of course, the dietary fiber. What many people fail to realize is that they may be throwing away most of the nutrients found in the bananas they eat. We are talking about the peel of the banana. While it may seem natural to throw it away, there are millions of people in certain countries, such as India, who instead keep the peels and use them for the many health benefits they possess. Most people consider the peel of a banana as garbage, satisfying this thought by throwing it away. Unfortunately, this means they are also throwing away a part of the banana that could have come in handy to them. Banana peels have been scientifically proven to possess antimicrobial properties, as well as to exhibit potent antioxidant activity on the skin and inside the human body. But what are the health benefits of a banana peel, and why should you stop throwing them away? There are many uses for a banana peel, both internally and on the skin. Let's take a look at some of the best health benefits that a person can obtain from using a simple banana peel. Banana peels can help to relieve itching skin caused by an insect bite. The fiber content inside these peels can help to improve digestion and also ensure a person stays regular. The active compounds found in a banana peel may help to improve the whiteness of teeth without the need for any harsh procedures or chemicals. The high level of antioxidants found in this fruit peel may help to treat acne and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Some of the compounds found in a banana peel have been studied and proved to assist with naturally treating depression and aiding in improving sleep. Antioxidants, coupled with other compounds, may also help to reduce cholesterol levels in people who struggle to keep their cholesterol levels in check. Warts can also be treated with a banana peel. By the way, if you want to get more healthy doses just like this one, push the subscribe button now and let us help you have a healthier tomorrow. Now, let's show you a tip on how you can use a banana peel. There are different ways to use banana peels. They can be consumed as they are and considered safe, and they can be applied directly to the skin. When consumed, it is highly suggested to first wash the peels. A lot of people also find that boiling them for around 10 minutes helps to soften the texture and makes them less chewy. So the conclusion is this. The one part of a banana that most people throw into the garbage bin may be the part with the most benefits. Since ancient times, people from India and some other parts of the world have treasured the banana peel for its high fiber content, as well as nutritional and antioxidant properties aiding in many issues, both on the inside and the outside of the body. Next time you eat a banana, don't throw away the peel, but rather enjoy the various health benefits it has to offer you. And if you liked our content, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with what you'd like to see on our channel, and go ahead, take your next dose of health.